What do you say to Tim and Nanny?
Thank you to my nanny, banana. Wow.
Are you reading what they say before you open them?
I didn't read this one.
Okay.
Look how many pencils I got.
Those are so cool.
Hi, Avengers. Pick McQueen, Legos. Gosh. Yeah. Has a ton of stuff. Cards. Why do I have to get cards?
Flashcards. You're going to know those in no time.
Now, why is there so much?
What does it say on the front?
U, R, and what's this word say?
You are awesome.
And we're reading that. Yay, candy!
You are so spoiled.
No, I got candy for real. See?
Mm-hmm.
Love this. Why the so much?
What does that one say?
Well, we there.
Wish.
Wish we were there.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
This is quagga. What are these? What is this?
Bingo.
Bingo.
Time bingo. Awesome.
Can I bring this to
Yeah,
school?
Well, let's take it to Grandma's, okay? Not to school. Put it down.
Can I bring also my motorcycle?
Yes.
Yay.
Fragile.
Fragile. I think this is a picture.
I don't know.
I knew it. Picture was me and Nanny.
Let me see. Caleb and Nanny. Oh, I love that picture. It's at the lake house. Hold it up here. Say thanks, Nanny and Tim.
Thanks, Nanny and Tim.
Oh, you can put that in your room.
Yeah.
What does it say on that essay?
You do great. That was easy. What is it? Tape. No, that's
Yes.
not tape.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of tape is it?
Cars tape. Stickers.
Stickers.
It's a roll of stickers.
Cool, I can cut these.
You're so spoiled. What does it say?
Have fun. I knew it, I love these. Last two.
What does it say?
Kleenex.
On the other side.
Here. We love you. These are Kleenex.
Nice.
And then the rest is toilet paper. Yay!
Your favorite. Are you going to share those with Mom?
No. Definitely not. Look how much stuff I got.
It's like a treasure chest. Okay, say one last message to Tim and Nanny. What do you say to that?
Thank you.
Say you're going to share those Reese cups with Mom.
I'm not going to share the Reese cups with Mom.
Blow him a kiss.
Newspaper fight.